Very powerful video. Today I'll talk about once again the CPA marketing, and this time I'll take an example of CPA grip. Okay, please watch the video till the end. I'll tell you which offer to promote and where to promote. Alright, I'll explain each and everything. Please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video. Alright, so I have logged into CPA grip account. Alright, we will be promoting the highly targeted offer which no one is promoting and where there is very less competition. Okay, so this is a CPA grip account. We'll just scroll it down. We will be promoting the offer name as PS5. Get PS5. Are you getting? It's a gaming offer. Alright, I'll tell you where exactly you need to promote. You will be getting highly targeted free traffic where there is zero competition. Okay, so first we will select the gaming offers over here. See, you can see lot of offers over here. Get Fall Guy on the PS5, Act Now, PayPal gift card. Okay, but we will be promoting only get a PS5 now. Okay, on the mobile version. They have the desktop version also, but we will be focusing on the mobile version. Get the PS5. Alright, we'll just click over here on the PS5 and we will get our affiliate link. Once we get our affiliate link, we'll just shorten it from bit.ly. This is the step 1. Alright, you can promote any offer from here, but we will be focusing only on PS5 as of now. Alright, once we get our affiliate link, we will just shorten it from bit.ly. This is the step 1. Everyone knows up to here. Okay, see, this is the offer PS5. Alright, and not only this offer, you can promote any gaming niche offer. Alright, any gaming niche offer, but it has to be related to gaming, because the kind of traffic I am going to tell you, your mind will blow away. Okay, if you have a CPA grip account, you can promote PS5, and if you don't have CPA grip account, or if you have a MaxBounty account, I'll tell you that we will be promoting on MaxBounty. Okay, we'll just log into MaxBounty, and over here we'll click on search, and in the drop down section we'll just click on gaming. We will select United States and we'll hit apply search option. We will get these offers. See, these are the offers which we need to promote. See, for one lead we are getting $5.60 per lead, and EPC is also very good, $0.28. 0.28. So we will be promoting this. Okay, $5.60 per lead offer. Alright, and there is no cap at all. I mean, we can promote unlimited number. We can get unlimited number of leads. So this is the gaming niche. This is the best niche. Alright, we'll just click on the affiliate link. I mean, build tracking link, and we will get our affiliate link. Now comes the traffic. Number 1 website is vgr.com. See, vgr.com/forum. This is the website. Alright, this is the number 1 website, and the best part of this website, it's totally free, and the kind of traffic this website is getting, your mind will blow away. See, 65,000 posts. You can see that 15 minutes ago, 65,000 posts. Alright, it's under the gaming niche. 10.5 thousand 7 posts 15 minutes ago, 17 minutes ago. 12,800 posts. Okay, 17 minutes ago. 13.5 thousand posts 12 hours ago. Okay, so the kind of traffic this website is getting is incredibly unmatched. Seriously, no one is taking advantage of this website. See, right now more than 1100 people are online on this website. So, and the best part of it is you can just sign up on this website and engage to these people. They don't know how to promote CPA offers. If you promote the gaming niche on this website, it will convert like crazy. Okay, this is the best niche, so try to take the advantage of this website. The website name is, once again I'll tell you, vgr.com. Just register, sign up on this website and start engaging with this audience, and you can promote not only this offer, you can promote Fortnite offer. Okay, V-Bucks offer, Fortnite offer, anything related to gaming. Okay, this is the best website. Don't take this website lightly. You can check on SimilarWeb. This website has got a huge potential. Okay, you can see the kind of quality traffic this website is getting. Okay, once you post, your post will be provided to all the members. I mean, your post will be seen to all members. All right, it's not like they will not upvote or your post will be removed. Okay, they are very affiliate friendly, but don't send your affiliate link directly. All right, just write 3-4 catchy lines. Okay, who wants to win PS5 now? If anyone interested, just reply me back like this, 3-4 catchy lines. All right, this is the first traffic. Now the second traffic source is, I would recommend you to go for Zero Park. This is the second traffic source. This website really works well on mobile offers. This is incredibly works well on mobile CPA offers. All right, if you want to make it big, because the kind of volume this website receives, see, more than 1 billion. I mean, I'm running short of counting monthly impression this website is getting. And the best part of it is you need to promote only the push notification. You can promote shopping and travel, desktop downloads, dating, e-commerce. Okay, you can promote any offer on this website. See, this is the website if you want to make a killing on CPA marketing. All right, because a lot of people nowadays are on mobile phone, and Zero Park has got a huge volume. Okay, so set up an account, create an account, set up a campaign on this website, and try to promote your CPA offers on zeropark.com. Okay, VGR.com is the free one, which I have already told you. VGR is the forum, the gaming niche forum, and the Zero Park. Both websites are awesome. You just need to take advantage of this website. And VGR, which I am showing you, seriously, if you focus and stay consistent, definitely you will get plenty of leads and you will not be paying anything at all on this website.